Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Three capitals Andhra Pradesh HC notices to Jagan, TDP and BJP. The Andhra Pradesh High Court on Thursday issued notice to Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy, Cabinet Ministers, TDP and BJP over setting up three capitals for Andhra Pradesh. Advocate of the petitioner has informed the High Court that Jagannath Reddy had agreed for the Andhra Pradesh capital in Amravati. Two foreign, five Indian firms eye Kadapa Steel project. The Andhra Pradesh High Grade Steels Limited, incorporated by the state government to set up an integrated steel plant in Kadapa district, is receiving good response from private players. Seven reputed companies, including two from abroad and five Indian ones, which have bases abroad, have invested interest to join hands with the state government for the project. COVID-19 tally in Andhra Pradesh inches closer to 4 lakh mark, 10,621 more added. Andhra Pradesh on Thursday moved closer to the 4 lakh mark in coronavirus cases after adding 10,621 afresh in 24 hours. The state's COVID tally now read 3.93 lakh total cases, 2.95 lakh recoveries, and 3,633 deaths, leaving 94,209 active cases, according to the latest government bulletin. On Thursday, Prakasam district joined East Godavari in adding more than 1,000 fresh cases. Chittur, Guntur, SPS Nellore added over 900 cases each, and West Godavari, Srikakulam, Anantapuramu, Kadapa, and Kurnool reported over 800 each. Kurnool reported 13 fresh casualties. SPS Nellore 11, East Godavari 10, and Chittur 9 in 24 hours. Siddaramaiah questions Centre for being adamant over holding NEET and JEE in September. Registering his objection to holding the NEET and JEE examinations, former Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on Thursday sought to know should the students pledge their lives to take the exams. Siddaramaiah joined the bandwagon of the opposition parties seeking that the two important examinations for admission to medical and engineering courses in premier institutes of India be deferred. Housing for Poor to be launched on October 2 in Andhra, foundation to be laid by CM Jagan. The state government is planning to launch the construction of the housing for the poor project on October 2 if all goes as per the plan. The foundation for the first phase of 15 lakh houses is likely to be laid by Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy, and the government plans to start the second phase works of the remaining 15 lakh houses next year. According to the Principal Secretary, Housing Ajay Jain, all the houses will conform to energy efficiency norms and will be ready in 30 months. Attitudinal change for police a must, says DGP D. Gautam Sawant. A day after, Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy stated that any police excesses against Dalits and weaker sections will not be tolerated. Director General of Police D. Gautam Sawant launched a drive to sensitize police personnel across the state in this regard. The DGP warned that the police department will not hesitate to initiate action against its own personnel if they are found misbehaving or going beyond the ambit of law when it comes to dealing with the weaker sections of the society. Five private COVID-19 care centers in Vijayawada lose license. Krishna District Administration cancelled permissions given to five private COVID care centers in Vijayawada as part of its safety audit check being conducted after the August 9 fire accident at Hotel Swarna Palace. During the inspection, we found that some hospitals, despite having permission, were yet to begin the treatment. These hospitals even told us that they are not in a position to maintain their COVID care centers, he said. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share, and subscribe Bayan Times.